Alright guys, welcome to Levite Apparel. Okay? So today we're going to see how it feels like to have your um, print shop integrated from Printful to Etsy and Etsy to Printful. Alright? So this is something I've been wanting to do a lot. The features in Printful is very powerful. However, with Etsy combined with it, it's even more glorious. So without further ado, um, I'm going to go to my web browser to show you. So right here you have my Printful account, right? And in my Printful account, um, the, so if you haven't already, go to Printful, create an account on Printful. Once you create an account on Printful, go right here to Stores. You click on Stores, and then from there, you can add your stores. Once you add your stores, it will give you the access and capability to connect to Etsy. You want to click on Etsy. Once you've clicked on Etsy and everything has integrated, then you can come back to Printful, and it's from Printful, um, Printful the dashboard you have. So you want to click on Stores, you click on Etsy, and then you go to Add Product. All this is done after you've had an account with Printful connected to Etsy. So you have to create an account for Etsy and an account for Printful. Once you've done that and you connect them, then you can go to Add Products. Again, you want to go to Stores, you click on Etsy. Once you've already added to your Printful, then you click on Add Products. So from here, it gives you a variety of products you can add. And the list goes on. And the best thing about being with Printful, as they upgrade their products, you will have access to it. So for today, we're just gonna do a simple, let's say, um, let's go with women's, right? So you select the type of shirt you want or the type of model you want. Right? So I'll click this model right here. Now, even though you selected the model, sometimes you'll have another image show up for that model. It's okay. Your model at the end will still show up with the design. So go to design. You can add any design that you have saved from your library on your computer, or you can do clip art, or you can do add text. It's up to you. However, Printful has this feature where it has images already uploaded, and you can select from whichever one you want. So right now we're gonna go to dog mom. So we're gonna wait for it to load up. It all depends on your web browser, how fast or how slow it is. All right. So from here, you have access to edit and move any of the images that you prefer. You can even delete them out. It gives you a large range and capability, right, of what to do. Um, so then once you have edited and decided, okay, this is what you want, also, you see how this is right here? You can delete it. So let's say I don't want it to say dog mom. I can easily have this on there. All right? There's no undo feature, so if you remove something, you gotta put it back yourself. But let's just proceed. I'm gonna leave it like this because I want it to be gender neutral, right? Next step is you click on proceed to mockup because you like it. Now, this is the important section, all right? So you have a variety of models. You even have this one right here. You have her right here. So let's say this was the model I originally picked. I can choose it. Or if you want something that's a little bit more fun, you could choose that one. I'll click that one for now. Actually, you know what? I like this one. So I'm going to choose that one. Nah, I'll go back to this model. It's fine. So, since it was our original pick, no, I think the other model was. It's okay. So, it'll have your model on the side. You can't do anything with this. Over here is the description section. Printful did everything for you. All you have to do is just scroll down, make sure everything is correct. It even has sizes, everything. Because remember, Printful is the one that's going to make the shirt for you. If I didn't mention in the beginning, the reason why you want to integrate your Etsy to Printful is because of this. You create the image or decide on the image. From there, Printful will make the design for you and even ship it for you. You don't have to do anything but design, save, add to model, save, decide on product description, and once you've done that, you click on product description, like we did before. So let's go back real quick. So you have capability to go back. After the product description, everything's all set. You go to pricing. Now, it gives you ranges of how much it's going to be, right? It'll tell you retail, and it'll tell you this is how much Printful is going to sell it for you, right? And this is the highest it'll sell it. Meaning, if somebody decides on an XX large or whatever, the price will go up automatically. You don't have to worry about programming anything. If you don't want to. If you want to, you could. If you don't want to, you don't have to. If you want to play around with the prices, you can. It's all up to you. You have access to do everything you want to do, right? So, as you can see, when you go through 3x, the price goes up, and so on and so forth. Now, at any time, you can change any of these prices, whatever you want to do. You have full capability to. But keep in mind, the lower you make it, the lower your revenue is going to be. Printful has done everything for you so you can make a profit off of everything you sell, right? They even tell you this is what your profit would be. So if you want to bring this up higher, you could. So you can have a higher profit, right? Now, we're going to go to submit to stores. Once you've gone to submit to stores, you'll see your previous mockups up here. And you'll see your latest mockup update. So if you leave for a second, it'll just automatically update itself, right? Now, what you want to do is scroll down. It even tells you that it's integrating the new mockup you have to your Etsy. So right here will be the list of your products, and it'll tell you that how many items is synced in. The reason why you have 7 is because there's different features of the models that will show up. And to show you how that is, I'm going to go to my Etsy and then I'm going to show it to you. So whenever you're doing this, you want to have your Printful browser open and also your Etsy browser open. Because once you've added the product here on Printful, right? You want to see did it really integrate? Because right here it's saying it's synced in, everything's all set. So let's take a look. Oh, also you have different things you can do. You can not sync it, you can ignore it. All this is you can remove it from the store, or you can remove it from the store and um, Printful by leaving it idle, meaning it's not going to sink in, and Printful won't fulfill any shipments or anything. It's just gonna be there, right? Or you can edit. Here you can delete whatever you want. You can delete it from here, and also you can delete it from Etsy. Okay, so let's go to Etsy right now, the store, and see how everything is integrated. So here on Etsy, these are models as I've already integrated. The only issue I have is I'll say it straight out. Being is like I would prefer the women being in dresses because to me it's more pleasing. However, since Printful is the one that has the mock-up, they do what they want, and all you can do is just add images. You're just selling the shirt, so there's nothing you can do about how the images look like. All you can do is decide on which one you want. All right. But that's side talk. I digress. Back to what we were talking to. So yeah, right here in Printful, in Etsy, right here in Etsy, on your Etsy store, these are other models with images I've already uploaded, right? So as you scroll down, there's other ones. Now, here's the thing. You see this right here? Active 6. All that means is you've activated 6 products from Printful to Etsy, and now they're live. People can purchase them. Sometimes when you when you add an image from Printful, it's in your Etsy. You won't see it until you reload your Etsy, because if you have both tabs open, it's going to take time to integrate, right? So now that it's reloaded, it has a more current and more current idea of what's going on. So we had the 6 already, and this was 0. Now it's 1. So basically, you refresh your screen, your Etsy screen, as you keep adding, or you can go to your Printful. In Printful, you go to your add product. You keep adding multiple products, as many as you want. You can even do 100. All of them will show up here. You just click on product. Actually, no, you don't have to click on anything. Once all the products show up here, everything will be synced into Etsy. All you will have to do is go to Etsy and refresh your screen, right? Refresh or reload your screen, and then all those products will show up as draft. The reason why the products show up as draft is just in case something went wrong. Etsy will not load it to be published so everybody can view it. It will allow you the capability of editing your product before it goes on stores, in the store, right? So the active, you can edit it and do whatever you want, even remove them too. But for this, I'm just gonna show you how things integrated from Printful to Etsy. So you already did on Printful, it's on Etsy, right? Because it's synced in, but you won't see it until you click on draft, right? So this is what we did before, right? And to have it load up, you can click this, or you can click, if I had like more than one here, I can click them individually, and it'll list how many I clicked, right? So now we're gonna click on see over here, you can even delete it, edit options, whatever you want to do. Edit option will give you shipping and all that stuff that you can do, pricing, anything, right? But for this purpose, we're just gonna add an image, go to draft, and then publish. Once you publish, this is what comes up. Any and every image that you load up for this current time is 20 cents. Etsy has to make their money. So if you have 10, 10 times 20, you put the zero, so it'd be $2. Right? So $2 for 10 images. For one, for now, is just 20. So now you see the background, it has the policy, all that stuff. And once you click publish, it publishes it. Now, for some reason, my browser takes forever. So what I like to do, as it's doing this little thinking thing, is refresh. Because the minute you hit publish, Etsy is fast enough that it will publish whatever you click to publish. The thing is, it's on your browser to decide, is this fast enough to show me that it has published? A trick to get around it is by clicking the refresh button or the reload. Alright, once you've done that, go on activities. Remember, activity used to say 6 and draft used to say 1. Now it says 0 because you have no draft here. Also, if something is sold out, it will tell you here. Inactive will tell you which one you've put as inactive, and we're gonna click on activity for now. So on your activity, you have the new shirt that you just uploaded, and for these features, you click on this little thing right here, manage this listing, and you can decide what you want to do with it. Make it inactive. If it's sold out, you can put sold out, expired, all that. So this is how it looks like when you integrate from Printful to Etsy. You have your store items located right here. Alright, and this is how everything looks like on your Etsy side. You have your dashboard, your listings. I'm not going to dashboard. I opened this store yesterday. Well, not yesterday, on Friday, before Sabbath. So it was like Friday around 5 or something like that, p.m. So yeah, so the store is open. It's available. The thing is, right now, currently, I'm battling with the name because I had opened an account before and I closed it because I didn't know how to properly make items myself. Well, let me backtrack. In the beginning, I opened an Etsy store. It was under Levite Apparel without the S, and that store is still active. Well, it's inactive, but because I activated, I can't use the name anymore. And for some reason, I'm having issues using that email account that I had it linked to. So now I use another email account that I had, and I just put it as Levites Apparel. So yeah. So okay, guys, this is it right here. This is how it looks like. This is the FC with the Printful integrate. When you click on your products, so you click on a product, it will show you everything. So Printful does everything for you. It lists the products, it puts in where it needs to be, the photos, all the details right here is already done for you. Even product description, physical, yada yada. Everything is all up to you, what you want to do. Yeah, so it's here. You know, it puts in all the correct writing, even the search, whatever you want it to do. But again, you have access to edit and do whatever you want. Certain items will have more than one images. For example, back to listing. If you made changes, you want to keep it, keep it. If not, it tells you to discard. So I'm going to discard. So I'm going to see one that has more than one. click on this model right here. So as you see, um, if you go back to your Printful, right, when you click on certain models, or yeah, when you click on certain models or logos, it will tell you how many poses the model did. So for this one, the model did 4 poses. Well, 3 poses, my bad. And since it's integrated, like I said, Printful does everything for you. Everything. Even listing size, different poses. Everything is done for you. All you need to do is just sit back and watch the money come in. You know? So this is why it's good to integrate your Etsy with Printful. Alright? And your Printful with Etsy, and vice versa. So back to Printful. So as you can see right here, it tells you how many items or product is synced, or everything that is done that is synced, right? So there you go. Down here will be your listings. Up here it will tell you, and that's how you integrate. That's how you add products from your Printful to your Etsy. All right, guys. I hope this was useful for you. And also, I hope you can hear me. I'm going to have to get a mic so I can talk louder. But this was a quick view of Printful to Etsy integration. All right? Guys, have a good day. And hopefully this helped you so you can start making shirt and start making money. All right? This is an easy way. Thank you. This is Levi Apparel. Let me go right here. Thank you again, guys. This is Levi Apparel. Please like and subscribe. More videos to come, and I got more surprises for you, by the way. All right? Again, please like and subscribe. This is Levi Apparel. If you get a chance, go to my Etsy, Levi's Apparel. Soon to be changed to Levi Apparel. Also, you can go on my leviteapparel.com website, where you can design. You know what? Let me go to it. Let's go to it right now. So, if you go to my website, right? www.levite. Oh, sorry. Okay, cool. There it is. So www.leviteapparel.com. This is how it looks like. Welcome to Levi Apparel. Whenever you go to my website, always go to Design Lab. And from Design Lab, you have the capability of adding text, and I have a variety of text you can add. Right here, there's many more. You can also upload your own artwork. Add different images. So the library is small, but I'm gonna add more to it. Add the shark. And you can size it up to what you want. So on top of Printful, I also have my own website, my own shop that you can do whatever you want. And on the bottom will be the price. You add it to cart, And also, a good feature about this is, let me go to it. I've been wanting to do this for a while, going to my website and showing you guys what I have available. So this is a good time to do it. So from here, you can decide on the sizes you want. Adult, youth, whatever you prefer. You want to make sure you look at whatever you're ordering to make sure it's the right location and right price and right amount. All right. Um, you can continue designing, add to cart, or whatever you want to do. So I do have this feature active. This is called a design uh, studio, and I have it on my website. Check it out and have fun with it. You know, even if you don't order anything, go and check it out, and tell me if there's any changes that you would like be done. All right. When you leave, it will ask you if you want to leave. You can click yeah. Also, if you don't want to design anything, you just want to purchase an item, you can just scroll down. You can purchase items, or if you want to you don't want to deal with that whole adding and all that stuff, you can click on this one right here where you can customize your own shirt. Price is already fixed. You click the color, the size, upload the image, and then you can just be like, you want it to cotton, you want this, and then if you want anything like numbers or anything on it, you can do so. You can leave comments, whatever, and then you just add to cart. All right. Again, this is Levi Apparel. Please like and subscribe. Um, more to come. More to come. So please stay tuned. I have the Design Lab feature. Just click on it. This one doesn't really work. I don't know why it's there. Whenever this popped up, this one popped up with it. This is another feature I have to add. This is more like if you had a company and you wanted to create a store for your company from my store to add products and do different designs and stuff like that, it would allow you to. But I haven't enabled it because this is a lot more money. So maybe in the future. But for now, just use the Design Lab. All right. So lots of things are coming. Again, this is Levi Apparel. Please like and subscribe. Check out my Etsy website and check out my regular website. All right. Hope to see you soon. Please like and subscribe. This is Levi Apparel. Thank you.